Hi, and welcome back to the darkroom. The fixer is the most important chemical dish. This is the one that ensures that your prints are going to be permanent, so it's vitally important that they get fixed properly. But we don't know when we come in the darkroom if the fixer's already mixed up. We don't know if it's all right. We don't know if it's fresh. So I'm going to show you today a very simple way of checking. And all we're going to need is some fixer, some tongs, and a piece of unexposed, undeveloped black and white film. So we take our piece of off-cut of film, pop it in the fixer, agitate so the liquid flows over the surface of the film, and if this fixer is okay, within 30 seconds that film will be completely clear. So it's as simple as that. If this goes clear in under 30 seconds, you're all right. If it takes longer than 30 seconds or it doesn't go clear, you need to throw your fixer away and mix up a fresh batch. Hope that was useful. I'll see you in the next video.